We'll film the other ones too.
A
phone charger? Yeah.
Can I plug it in? I'm at 10.
Oh, I don't have a portable charger.
Should I plug it in? Is there somewhere in the car I can plug it into?
Yeah.
And you're doing your music.
Ooh, let's stop at Newsteaders. It's some weird apartment place.
And this is your own music, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Watch Ryan file a copyright strike on us. Oh, this has it.
Barely.
What if that chime box is 500A?
That's cool.
Oh. I hope this is a beat.
Hey, it re-leveled up.
Interesting.
Should we right back up real quick and then go to 4? Is that
And then we'll check the other ones.
Cool.
And then you can see these are Westinghouse indeed. Oh, someone snagged that plate that was there.
Yeah, somebody took it.
Yeah, these are gearless though.
Nice.
Hello.
All right, so 4.
B.
B.
Dude, I fucking love these cabs, bro. Oh, this is fucking good.
I wouldn't monetize this one anyways, but the language.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the re-leveling there. I just mean the sand.
No, not your.
Oh, dude. Nathan, check this
Oh,
out.
shit.
Oh yeah, Westinghouse logo.
I've never seen that one on the ground.
Yeah,
It's always the older Circle Bar W.
And then our other elevators are over here, right? Are those a different kind of machine?
Those ones we don't want to ride because these ones are better. These ones are more interesting anyway.
Are they the same types of elevators or are they different?
The same, but worth riding.
Okay.
Listen.
These are service elevators, if you're wondering.
No, these are actually for a whole different part of the building.
Really?
Yeah.
They look like service cars.
No, they're for a different part.
Is that an escape pod in the top?
This?
No.
That's just the ceiling.
Oh.
There's actually no 7th floor here.
So 7 lights up and it doesn't do anything. That's hilarious.
Listen to the chimes. 500 a day. Yeah, this building's just fucking weird.
It used to be a store.
Oh, y'all want to see something cool before we head back down?
Here, let me get a picture of this panel.
I need a light.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, this is a whole different part of the building. See? Check this out. Now look at this. There used to be an old Westinghouse elevator here.
That's cool.
But look, there's more. Here's the old Otis freighter and a button
Does not work.
for a defunct freighter, assumedly behind that door. I believe these are manual, but I've never been able to get on them.
Well, let's not bother if it's not.
Yeah.
Are you recording this part or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I generally don't record those.
It's a cool building, isn't it?
Here.
You recording too, Val? Nice. We're all getting videos. Okay, listen to this chime. Just listen to it. Everyone in the elevator community loves this chime for some reason. Wait, not that one.
They're all really nice. Every sound this thing has been delightful. So they call that chime.
Is that sarcasm?
No.
Really?
They call that
Are you sure? Does that sound delightful?
Not that.
Yeah.
So that chime
All
we
the
heard,
beeps and boops.
Yeah.
the chime we heard is called Schindler Luxury. That's what people refer to it as. I don't know if it actually has a name.
I'm gonna
No, it's
make a
500, eh?
synth out of it.
Really?
Well, they
Yes.
use
I'll send you the video.
they use it for.
Wait, hold on. Okay, I just wanted to go silent for Ryan.
Well, I'm sure they're online somewhere. If not, I'll
Plenty
come
of
back here with the Taz cam you recorded.
Yeah.